Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Asandi Butelezi for those who are new on this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And to those who are watching without subscribing, Gambela guys, why are you not subscribing? Why? Yeah guys, today, as you can see guys, I am ready to go to town. Let me take off the glasses. We are going to Woolworths to change Uya's trouser, because before we went to Natal Spa, Babuabo bought them some few stuffs and I was not there. Isizing ke ubhebe iyamshaya guys, sizing. He just looks at something, even if he's going to buy for himself, he just looks and say, okay, this will fit. Okay, that is what he did on that trouser, because all of the other clothes, they do fit them, but this one trouser didn't fit my son. So yeah, we are going there to exchange the clothes, the trouser, the one trouser guys. Yeah, see you when we come back.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Hi guys, we are back from town.
We are back.
I am opening the windows right now because guys, Kashisa, every time when we leave the house, we always keep our windows closed for the alarm not to call, to be disturbed, yeah, by the wind and disturbing us not to enter our house. Yeah. I'm opening everything for the wind, guys. It's so hot. It is so hot. It's hot. Yeah. Okay guys, let me show you what I did because we went there to buy to change, to exchange, but guys, we ended up buying some few stuffs for the babies. Let me show you what I saw and I liked, and I wanted to buy it for my babies. Okay, let's see. Let me show you guys. Let me put you down here. Okay, this is the trouser that we went there to exchange. It was a size 7, and then today we took a size 9 because mommy was there guys, and I know the sizes. Baba na yazama shame. This trouser was 149 rand for Uya. And then the underpants for Uyam underwears for 199 rand. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. And still on Uya. This is what we took. Okay, we took this today. The underpant, another trouser. We took this trouser today. We bought this trouser for 189 rand. This is the trouser. You know, guys, always they don't have a lot of boys' clothes, guys. Because when I look at my son's clothes, he wears the same style of clothes.
And that is me.
He wears the same style of clothes. All his clothes are the same. All his clothes are the same. Nana. All his clothes are the same. Yeah, this is the vest. This is his vest for 120 rand. Ooh, why is it not showing? Yeah, this is the vest. It's so beautiful. It's nice. It's beautiful. And then for Nana, for the girlies, we bought 2 t-shirts. They were going for, if you buy, okay, they were 119 rand, but if you buy 2, you buy for 100 rand. I love this. I love this for my baby girl. This is the t-shirt. And my daughter, guys, she wears big sizes. She wears a size 11, but she's 8. She's 8, but she wears a size 11.
Because I'm fat.
Then this one, the bonjour. Yeah, bonjour solier. So that this is the bonjour. I love these t-shirts. Yeah. Okay, she wants to wear them for you guys. Let's give her a round of applause. Let's give her a stage. Go again. Okay, this is Nana. This is Nana's t-shirt.
Oh, Mama.
It looks so beautiful. No, it's a crop top, Nana.
Oh.
It's so beautiful. It looks good on Nana. This is the back. Yeah. It's a t-shirt, guys. It's a t-shirt. It's nice and it's strong. I love it. From Nana. This is another shirt. T-shirt. Suguma.
Oh, Mama is the.
This is the t-shirt. This is the t-shirt. Oh, that was yeah. Pegalena. Yeah. Good delay. Okay, guys. My son you all know my son will not show up. What's up, yeah? He won't show up. We want to go away. What's it called? Oh yeah, this is my son. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Akayigethi. Ufana nodad wakhe abayigethi. They don't want to show up on my videos. If they show up, it's by force. Yeah, guys. So yeah, this is where we are. Okay, right now after this, I'm going to cook. Let's go. I want to go and cook. I want to cook something quick, but then Nana, okay, I will cook pap. Okay, I won't cook pap, but Baba tomorrow is going to work, so and I'm also going to work. We need food. We need food. So yeah, guys, I will see what I will do. I will cook rice for Nana and Uya on the side, and then I will cook pap for me and Z. Yeah, because my kids hate pap. Nana no Uya butwaki. They hate pap. So yeah, let's go and cook, guys. Let us go and cook.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
How I cook my stew on lazy days. This is my meat. These are the ingredients. My Worcestershire sauce, seasoned garlic, as always, my favorite, and Norrox. Okay, that's good. And our onions and green peppers. We're not adding robot peppers, we're just using what you guys are seeing here. Okay, this is me. The other hand, I'm using my other hand to pour. I washed my hands, guys. Yep. Using my other hand to put the ingredients here. Now we are moving on to our garlic. In the garlic bowls, our Norox cubes. In they go. And then our my fave, the lazy bee was this gonna loco, guys. Worcestershire sauce gonna loco. We add it inside. I'm cooking umqapiso. Our mqapiso is now on the stove. I will add let me add I will add the whole siam, guys, the whole siam. And it's been a long time since I've bought this. Let us use it today. Yeah, this is how much I will use. Let us go and add it on our pot. The whole siam is in. Yeah. Then we'll close our pots and wait for it to do its thing, guys, without adding any water. The meat will produce the water, and yeah, we will take it from there, guys. I am so lazy to cook. This is my lazy way of cooking. This is my lazy way of cooking the beef stew. Yeah. Guys, I am back again. Before I forget, guys, before I forget. Okay, I'm on my daughter's bedroom right now, using the Vaseline to moisturize my lips because I can feel they are so dry. Yeah, the guys, after that the trip that we had, the family vacation, where when we went to Errands house back, guys, my body is not not the same. It's not the same, but mine is better. My husband and my kids' body is so dry. Even the skin, their face is peeling. It is peeling. It's like they are growing a new face. Even mine, when I came back, my face was so dark. I was burnt, guys. We didn't buy sunscreen. We didn't use the sunscreen. But vele my kids and their father, their skin is not to be trusted. It's not skinny like mine. So yeah, guys, I'm here. Okay, on our trip, guys, you saw me, guys, lying on bed. Guys, angazi noma isingisi, but guys, when we went to Natal Spa, I didn't enjoy anything. The only thing that I will say I enjoyed was the swimming pool. Other than that, here, guys, I didn't enjoy anything. The food was not nice. The bed was painful. It was hard. It was like we were sleeping on the rock. Guys, it was hot there. The rooms did have the aircon, but it was so hot. It was hot. This was the guys. This was the worst trip. This was the worst trip. And I pray next time when we go somewhere, we go in a nice place, Bagiti, not in a place like that. Oh, guys, Ngege, that was our worst trip. The road was bad. The road had a lot of potholes, guys. It was bad. It was bad, and yo, but I'm glad that we came back home alive. But yeah, guys, yeah, that was it. And the thing that took a cap, guys, I got sick from I had a stomach ulcer, and it was so painful. It was I had the terrible pain. It was so painful. I was in pain the whole of Sunday, guys. Just imagine coming from Natal Spa. For the rest of our trip, I was in pain, guys, until I came home. I was still in pain. I tried on the road. We stopped on every garage, guys, to buy a medication, Panado, something to help, but nothing was helping. Nothing was helping, guys. We got home, and still, guys, nothing was helping. I was in so much pain. My ulcers were so stubborn. Angazi ukuthi ngadla ini, but whatever that I ate was bad for my stomach ulcers. I was in so much pain. I was in pain, guys, the whole of our Sunday. Just imagine being inside a car and you are in so much pain. Guys, those who know ama ulcer, they will understand. I was burning. Guys. I was burning. And I was burning the whole of Sunday, guys. Just imagine yourself usha inside your body burning in inside a car on a trip that you are supposed to enjoy with your kids. I did not enjoy. We had to stop, and I would feel nauseous. I would feel like I need to vomit, and nothing would come up. Guys, that was yabona nje Natal Spa. I'm not going back there. I know well I do have stomach ulcers, but yabona that the ulcer part took the cup. It had the cup, guys. I'm never going there. I hope people are still watching. I hope you are still watching, guys. If you are still watching, please do comment. Please do comment. Ngiyanicela, guys. Oh, angazi ukuthi ngingaze ngithini, guys. Guys, you are not commenting. You are not commenting. But it's fine. at least you are liking my videos, but people are not commenting. I wish you guys can comment. Please drop a comment, guys. Okay, you can even drop a comment. You can tell me that I'm sitting in a room, a pink room, okay, with pink, dusty pink bedding, and there's this thing about my wall. It was something, say something, but yeah, it's fine. Let's go, guys. Let me go to the important parts of this video. I wanted to share with you guys that you remember, guys, earlier this year I told you that I was selling my phone cases, and then I was like, you never heard anything, you didn't hear anything from me about my phone cases. Yes, guys, I still sell my phone cases, and right now I've opened a store, a Yaga store, last week, the day before yesterday, Tangi. And then yesterday I took some pictures of my items, some of my items, and I posted them on my Yaga store, guys. Please do go and check out my store. I will put a link on the description box. Go and visit my store, guys. I have phone cases, and there are clothes that I want to sell. There's a brown biker jacket, leather biker jacket that I bought from Foschini, and I see people are loving that biker jacket, but I gotta be buyer, but people are inquiring about that biker. Yeah, there's that, and there's a lot of things, and I'm still to add another things, because there's a lot of things that I don't use around the house, and there are clothes that I've only worn twice or once, and I'm thinking of selling all those things. Yeah, guys, please do. Your support here, you guys, will mean a lot to me. Your support will really mean a lot to me, and I'm selling the things at a cheaper price. Please do go and visit my Yaga store. Again, guys. Okay. Yeah, guys, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you will do visit the store, but for now, let me go and check my pot because I'm busy cooking. And then after cooking, I think I will go and chill outside with my husband, because yeah, it's cool outside. We'll sit under a tree. Yeah, we'll go and chill outside. But for now, let me go and check on my pots. Yeah, and this one is here as always, and she's making noise. Let us go, guys. Guys, I did laundry. I washed the blankets. These are the blankets. And yesterday I also washed some blankets. Yeah. And these ones are playing. Yo. Most ones are not a soldier. They are playing. They are playing shame. What is soldier messenger?
Yes.
It's tennis lapaya. They are playing tennis.
Tennis.
Yini basketball. Whatever, man. Basketball. Playing basketball. Let me go and sit the piano. Where is this one?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Stew. The stew is boiling, boiling, boiling. Here, let me stir the stew. Let us stir. Let us stir. The pap is ready. I also made the rice for my babies. Yeah, let's leave the stew to boil. We sat outside, guys. I went back to join them. We sat and sat, guys, until it was dark and we had to go back inside the house. That was me taking off my bra. Yeah, guys, this is almost the end of this video. Yeah, guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and drop your comments, guys. Whatever that you have seen on this video, please comment on it. Thanks so much, guys. See you on our next video. Mina, I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Bye.